Yota, conscious development. Coughing is a reflex action of the body that occurs when something irritates the respiratory tract. It is a natural mechanism that helps to keep the lungs and airways free of foreign substances and mucus. Coughing can be caused by a variety of factors. One of the most common is a respiratory infection, such as a cold or the flu. These infections can cause inflammation in the airways, which triggers coughing. Coughing can also be caused by exposure to irritants, such as tobacco smoke or air pollution. Asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease can also cause coughing. Other causes of coughing include allergies, gastroesophageal reflux, and inhalation of foreign particles. In rare cases, coughing can be a symptom of more serious illnesses, such as lung cancer. But don't be too scared. In most cases, coughing is caused by two main factors that we will discuss later. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and write a comment to help promote this video and a healthy lifestyle in the community. The two main reasons for coughing are 1. Excessive accumulation of mucus in the body that is expelled through coughing. 2. Bacteria and viruses. Let's start with the first option. The mucus that coughing seeks to expel is a natural response of the body to the presence of toxic substances, which accumulate in our system when we consume foods that are not suitable for our health. When we eat unhealthy foods, our body activates its immune system to defend itself against toxins present in the food. Mucus is produced as a way to protect the mucous membranes of the respiratory and digestive tracts from exposure to these toxic substances. However, if we continue to consume unhealthy foods, the mucus accumulates in our body and becomes chronic. This excess mucus can cause inflammation, infections, and chronic diseases. In the case of a cold, mucus is activated as an extreme way to eliminate the toxic substances accumulated in our system. The body produces an excessive amount of mucus to wrap and expel the toxic substances, which in turn causes coughing and other symptoms. To prevent chronic mucus, it is important to follow a healthy and balanced diet that includes fresh and raw foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Processed foods, dairy products, fried foods, and artificial sugars should be avoided as they contribute to mucus accumulation. In addition, intermittent fasting and colon cleansing are also useful practices to prevent mucus accumulation in the body. Intermittent fasting allows the body to detoxify and eliminate accumulated toxic substances, while colon cleansing helps to eliminate excess mucus and toxins present in the digestive tract. As a result, mucus is a natural response of the body to the exposure to toxic substances present in our diet. To prevent the accumulation of chronic mucus and its negative consequences, it is important to follow a healthy and balanced diet and practice intermittent fasting and colon cleansing. Now let's move on to the second main reason for coughing: cough caused by bacteria. Bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis, is an evergreen tree native to the Mediterranean. In addition to being a popular ingredient in cooking, bay leaves have also been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. One of the most notable properties of bay leaf is its ability to act as a natural biocide, making it an effective remedy for bacterial coughs. Bacterial cough is a respiratory infection that affects the lungs and airways. It occurs when bacteria enter the respiratory system and multiply, which can lead to chronic cough and other uncomfortable symptoms. If left untreated, bacterial cough can cause serious complications such as pneumonia and bronchitis. Bay leaf contains a number of natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, including eugenol, cineol, and linalool. These compounds act as natural biocides, meaning they can kill the bacteria and other microorganisms that cause the infection. To harness the benefits of bay leaf for bacterial cough, an infusion can be prepared. To do this, bay leaves should be boiled in water for a few minutes, then allowed to steep and strained. This infusion can be drunk several times a day to relieve the symptoms of bacterial cough and help fight the infection. In addition to being an effective aid for bacterial cough, bay leaf can also help relieve other respiratory problems, such as congestion and inflammation of the airways. It can also be beneficial for other conditions, such as arthritis and headache. If you found this video interesting, please comment. This will help us promote healthy living in the community. Also, like and subscribe to our school's channel to stay informed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see videos among the first.